Hey everyone, if your Google Pixel's mobile data isn't working or internet won't load, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you simple fixes step by step. Let's jump in. First, refresh the data connection. Swipe down to open Quick Settings. Turn airplane mode on. Wait 10 seconds. Then turn airplane mode off. Now check the mobile data. Solution 1. Disable VPN and private DNS. VPNs and custom DNS can block network access. Open Settings on your device. Then go to Network and Internet. Now tap VPN and disconnect or remove any active VPN. Now come back and tap Private DNS, then set it to automatic. Now test your internet connection. Solution 2. Check SIM and mobile data settings. Open Settings on your device, then tap Network and Internet and select SIMs. Make sure mobile data is on. Also, ensure the correct SIM is selected for data. Now tap Preferred Network Type and select 5G, LTE, or 4G. Avoid forcing the phone to a single network mode. Solution 3. Reset network settings. This fixes call, data, and connectivity issues. Open Settings on your device. Scroll down and tap System. Now scroll down to the bottom and tap Reset Options. Select Reset Mobile Network Settings. This will not delete your personal data. Restart your phone afterward. That's how to fix mobile data on Google Pixel. If it helped, like, subscribe, and comment if you still have issues. Thanks for watching.